Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Unicore Nebulous 4 series receiver to an NTRIP correction service, and we'll be using TruePoint.cm, a centimeter-level NRTK positioning service, as an example. To get started, you'll need a username and password, which you can obtain from TruePoint staff or through a trial program. Along with that, you'll also receive a quick start guide to help you set things up smoothly. For the hardware connection, you can either watch the Unicore HPL EVK tutorial or just look at this picture. There are only 3 key connections to make: antenna, serial port, and power supply. Once that's done, we can move on to the next step, the NTRIP connection. Now let's jump into the software. Open UPrecise, which can be downloaded on Unicore's website, and establish the serial port connection. Once that's done, head over to the left toolbar, click RTCM, and then press the Input button. Select NTRIP Client. Here you enter your service login details like the domain name, port, mount point, username, and password. If you are not sure what to enter, just refer to the Quick Start Guide. In section 1.1.1, you'll find the domain names and service IP listed by region, including China, Europe, and the USA. We usually recommend using the domain name to log in because it rarely changes. For the port settings, you'll see a few different options depending on your access method, whether it's NTRIP or SDK. If you are using NTRIP, note that different ports correspond to different reference coordinate systems and epochs, and most users go with WGS84. Next, mount points. Select your mount point based on your region and the service you are using. In this demo, I'll pick China as an example, and the service I choose is multi-frequency RTK. It has 4 mount points, and I'll use RTCM33 GRCEJ, which supports the widest range of constellations and frequencies. Back to UPrecise, let's fill in the details. For the domain name, we selected pnt.truepoint.com. The port is 8002, and the mount point is RTCM33 GRCEJ. For the username and password, enter the information you obtained from TruePoint. Next, you can set how often the GGA statement is sent. Here we'll keep it at 1 Hz. For the GGA source, you can either use the data from the current serial port or manually enter your latitude, longitude, and height, and click OK. Now let's move to output. Choose the serial port to output differential data to the GNSS board, and click OK. Before you connect, here's a little tip. Make sure the hexadecimal box is checked. This will prevent the differential data from appearing garbled. Finally, hit Connect, and you'll see real-time data streaming on the interface. And that's all for the entire process. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comments below or contact our support team. We're happy to help.